Hello, everyone, and welcome to the June 2026 Monthly Moment. For all you soccer fans out there, this is a tough morning as we saw Team USA get knocked out of the World Cup yesterday. But soccer aside, if there's one word to describe June, it would be transition. The market entered the month with strong momentum. Major indices reached new highs, supported by resilient economic growth, solid corporate earnings, and continued excitement surrounding artificial intelligence. But by the end of the month, investors were reminded that markets don't move in a straight line. Technology stocks experienced some volatility as investors began to question some valuations, while interest rates remained in focus after the Federal Reserve held rates steady and reaffirmed its commitment to bring inflation under control. At the same time, the broader economy continued to show surprising resilience, with healthy employment, steady consumer spending, and businesses continuing to invest despite higher borrowing costs. One of the biggest themes emerging today is that the market appears to be broadening. While large technology companies have driven much of the market's gains over the last couple of years, we're beginning to see strength spread into other areas, such as industrials, healthcare, financials, and even back into the international markets. And that's generally a healthy sign because it means market performance is becoming less dependent on just a handful of companies. We're also seeing opportunities reappear in areas that investors largely ignored when interest rates were near zero. Fixed income investments are once again providing meaningful yields, giving investors additional ways to diversify portfolios while generating some income. So what does all of this mean for you, the long-term investor? Well, the biggest takeaway is to remember that markets will always experience periods of volatility, especially after strong rallies. But history has consistently shown that disciplined investors who remain focused on their long-term financial goals are generally rewarded for staying invested rather than reacting to short-term headlines. And we at Prosperitas Financial, we continue to focus on what we can control: maintaining diversified portfolios, managing risk appropriately, identifying tax-efficient opportunities, and ensuring every investment decision supports our clients' long-term financial objectives. If you would like to discuss how today's market environment may impact your retirement plan or overall financial strategy, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.